Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware. Update your switch and confirm the target game accepts keyboard or mouse input. Plug a powered USB-C dock or hub if you're on handheld mode. This prevents power dropout. Next, connect the USB adapter to the dock's USB port and attach your wired keyboard and mouse to the adapter. Once done, power on the switch and the adapter will negotiate inputs. Make sure the adapter's LEDs indicate active host mode before proceeding to configuration. Now you configure the adapter so the switch sees keyboard and mouse as a controller. Use the hardware mode switch or companion app to select Pro Controller or X input emulation. This translates mouse movement into joystick data and keys into button presses. Then map essential keys: movement, jump, crouch, and set mouse DPI and polling rate for comfortable aiming. Test responsiveness in the Switch home menu or a training area in-game, and make small sensitivity adjustments until movement feels natural and consistent. Finish by saving your adapter profile and securing cables so nothing disconnects mid-session. Make sure the game's input options are set to accept external controls and rebind keys as needed for comfort. If the setup stops working, reboot the switch and adapter, reseat all USB connections, and try another USB port or hub with external power. If problems persist, update the adapter firmware and consult its LED codes or reset steps. This fixes common handshake or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.